Hi everyone. So before we get started, I want to make it very much clear that in this tutorial, what I will be teaching, it's not going to be used in any practical purpose. So you can ask me what is the use of going through this video. So if you are a newbie, then this video will be very much helpful. I'll show you step by step how you can connect the dots. Like, it is very important to know what is the end product. So when I am committing something or when I'm writing some piece of code, how does this ends up? So from the very beginning it will be very clear, like how things work when we use the CLI or any Visual Studio or maybe IntelliJ or Eclipse. So in that case, how things work, we can visualize it once we see the end product. So basically here we will be doing everything in and around the UI browser itself. So you will get a clear understanding how and when the commit works and how to trace back, how to download it, how to upload it from the UI itself instead of using the CLI. Actually, we use CLI. In our upcoming videos, I will be showing you how to do it using CLI mainly. So let's get started. Before going further, I want to show you that this is my actual repository or actual account where I generally upload all my code. All are public basically. So here in the profile section, I want to show you one achievement which I have actually got it. I don't know how, but my code actually went to the Arctic Vault. Arctic Vault is situated in Salvard, where a group of scientists actually kept many seeds and many other things so that it can be retrieved in case of any disaster. So Salvard is located on the north of Sweden. Okay, now coming to our actual scenario, what we will be doing is like we will be creating an account in GitHub. This is just for learning session. When everything is done, I will be moving mainly to my original account here just to get started. So once we create an account, we put the password, email address, verify that we are person actually, just by matching the two identical objects. So once it is done, it will ask for some information like how many team members we are, means whether I am a student or not, means for what purpose I will be using it, whether I will be using it for free or for any extra benefit they support, but I will continue for free because I don't want anything to be paid. It's just for learning purpose. So now this is the complete UI, complete profile. We don't have any repository. Here you can, in the profile section, you can upload your photo and write some description about yourself. Now we will go and create our first repository. We will name it as my first app. So here you can either use HTTPS and SSH, or you will see both in our later section, since we will be doing this from the UI completely. And I'm repeating once again, this is not for practical use. This is only to make things it understand in a better way. So we can import code from other repositories. So what we will do is like we will create a folder here, my first app. And inside the folder I will create a text, hello.txt. We can use hello.txt, hello.js, hello.net, hello.java, whatever you like, you can create. So once it is created, we will go to the web page again, and here if you see, the instructions have been given if we are using the CLI version, but since we are doing it from the UI page, so in that case we will be uploading an existing file. Either we can drag and drop or we can choose. So I will choose desktop. So the file is uploaded. Now we need to put a commit message. So commit message is ideally the message that will help us identify by just saying that okay, in this commit I have done this many changes, like uploaded empty file, created the app, bootstrapped the app, made changes in my first name, change Java version code. All these things we mention in the commit message so that we can quickly identify it. Now in this hello.txt we don't see any text or anything because it's an empty file. So I'll just write here, hello, I am Gaurav Paul. And again I'll go here and upload the file. So I'll again put some of the message like wrote my name, commit changes. So now we can see here we have wrote my name commit message, and we have two commits. That is uploaded empty file and wrote my name. And if you want to see the difference, we can ideally click that commit ID, and here we can see that the green part is like addition of anything. Ideally I prefer like side by side view. So if you side by side, this is the old one and this is the right side is the new one. Okay, now let's go and make some other changes in the same file. So I'll write this is line 3 and make this also capital. Let's go and upload it again. Add files, upload files, choose your file, hello.txt, add line 3, commit changes. So now if I go to the commit message or even the plain hello.txt, we can see that the lines have been updated. If you click row, you can see the row file. If you click blame, you can see whoever has made those changes and when the changes have been made, along with the commit ID also. Since all the changes are made now only, so it is not showing any particular changes. And another major thing why it is not showing this other commit messages, because I have uploaded a fresh file. So if we use from the UI, then it always maintain a fresh file. If I use CLI versions and all, that in that case it will be completely separate commit messages will be showing. I'll show you what it means. It's like if you see here, the hello only capital H is been should have been highlighted, but it is not highlighting. So in order to make you understand better, I'll do one thing. I will just go and edit it from the UI itself. So here I will just edit this line. Line 3 has been updated. Updated line 3. So now if you go to the commit message, you can see here only this red part got changed, and on the right side the green part has been updated. Okay, we can see it in a more detailed way. Let's go and check it. So now I will just omit this 3. Okay, removed 3. Commit changes, view commit message, last commit. So you can see here that line 3 has been changed, and the digit 3, this has been highlighted in much darker red, and we have updated it and removed it in the latest version. So this is basically how actually commit works. So once we go ahead and write using Java and Node.js, you'll understand it in a much better way. This is to give you a much broader view. So now what you can do is like you can go and download this and make it in sync with the folder that you have in your computer. For that we need to go and download the whole application. So what you need to do is like we need to go and download. We need to click code, and here we can use download zip. If you're using CLI, we can just use git fetch or git pull, and it will get synced up. This main is coming from the branch, so we will discuss in details what is branch, how branching strategies work, what is production branch, master branch, test branch. All this we will discuss in our upcoming videos. So as of now, I'll go and just save this zip format. So now the zip has been downloaded. and I can just open that zip and copy and paste it, and my folder will be uploaded. So whatever the changes has been done from the UI, it is like some other people is making those changes and pushing it, and I am pulling it from my end. So it's like a collaboration. So that's all for this video. If this video is helpful, then give a thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to CodeSpace. See you again in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.